this close to shore when the normal track is several miles around the ocean and entails none of this. And apparently his navigational skills weren't very good because he's been insisting ever since that the stuff he hit was not charted, whereas every image on the internet you can find shows these rocks and show water on charts, just on the crude charts available on the internet, let alone the detailed charts he should have had available to him on the ship. So if this accident had happened in the waters of a third country, then presumably that country and Italy, as the flag state, could both assert the claim to jurisdiction over this. But because we have this happy coincidence here where the territorial state is also the flag state of the vessel, there should be no claim for any other country to assert any criminal jurisdiction over matters on board.
Already when I was trying to get ready to talk to you about this, I went on the internet, and I can't believe how many law firms are already out there, trolling, and I don't think I did this correctly, but what you see here in the blue is basically this law firm's, pitch as to why the real liability here wasn't Captain Schettino. Schettino? Is that his name? Schettino? Whatever. It's Costa, and then Carnival Cruise Lines, which owns it, is the alter ego. Therefore, they're equally responsible. So that's the pitch of United States lawyers trying to get the litigation in United States court. But there could be a viable international class, possibly, under consumer protection law, and to the extent that you can do what this lawyer has suggested and kind of pin it all on Carnival Cruise Lines, Florida consumer protection law could apply, and that might provide for the basis for some decent recovery. But I don't really see this as a class action kind of a case. I think the real issue is going to be the question of corporate liability. Now, David's presentation really focused on the captain, but there's a lot of information that has been coming out about that might help plaintiffs' lawyers kind of connect up the captain with Costa, and then we'll have to do a little bit of a stretch with alter ego law to bring in Carnival Cruise Lines, but there might be enough there in terms of civil liability